What's up, guys? Jerry, tech support, and this is our new project. Complete with push button start.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Yep. Sun now.